Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video is the much anticipated hair scarf styling video. I posted these hair scarves for the first time on my Instagram, and then I also did a spring Amazon clothing haul, which you need to go check out if you haven't yet, because I mentioned these bracelets and actually I think this jumpsuit, a bunch of stuff in that video, and everybody was like, can you tell us how to show us how to style it, all that kind of stuff. I did one of these hairstyles, and I'm going to show you on this video as well on my Instagram stories, but I know you guys wanted more, so that's what we are doing today. I'm only going to be doing 3, but maybe on my Instagram I'll do some more if you guys like it. This is the pack of hair scarves that I got. It has 3 hair scarves. This one is like this beautiful, this one is my favorite, this beautiful like peachy color with swans on it that have like blue beaks and kind of like a burnt orange foot, and then this light blue border, which is just beautiful. It's like a powdery blue. This one is my absolute favorite. I just think it is so beautiful and flattering. And then we have a blue heart one, which I think is also adorable as well. And then this one has this kind of like, I don't even know what to call this, but like kind of striped, interesting pattern on the side. So a blue one, and then we have this one, which I think is perfect for Memorial Day, 4th of July, whatever, and it's like a red with kind of like a creamy white color, a blue, and then it also has like a tiny bit of green, but you can never see the green when you tie this up. So I think this would be perfect for 4th of July, Memorial Day, whatever. You could do these with any of these and it would be perfect. So I'm going to real quick show you how I fold these for every single hairstyle that I'm going to mention. The first thing you do is lay it out in a square on the floor. So you are going to take 2 opposite sides, 2 opposite corners, and you are going to fold it into a triangle. So really quick, easy, fold it into a triangle because these are a square. And then all I do is take either the corner and start rolling, or I take the large side and start rolling. It depends if you want the border to kind of like show through. And also if you're worried about like the little pointed end showing. So if you want the little border area to like show on the headband, then make sure to roll starting from the wider end. But if you don't want it to show, then start rolling from the pointed end. So all I do is make like maybe like an 1.5 inch section and just kind of fold it over each other over and over again to create like a headband. If you've ever done it with a bandana, it's the exact same method that I use for that. For the first hairstyle that I'm going to mention, all I do is use this as a headband, and that is one of my favorite ways to wear it. All I do is put my hair into a messy bun. You could do this with a ponytail or a messy bun. You could do it with your hair down, whatever, but my favorite way is a messy bun. So all I do is take my hair up into a ponytail, gather it in my hands, and then I just twist my hair and wrap it around the base to create the messy bun. So once I have that situated however I would want it, then I take my folded hair scarf, and all I do is go and put the like side that's not the ends underneath my hair at the like nape of my neck. Is that what that's called? The neck area, and put that wide area on there, and then I gather it up towards the top of my head and tie it into a knot. Really easy, really self-explanatory. You could tie it into a bow if you think that's really cute and you want that like that. But for this one, I wanted to show you that you can tuck the little like tails, I guess is what I call them, underneath the headband. And then you have that really cute like focus of the knot on your head, which I think is just kind of a cute little, you know, something something. And it also shows like the different colors of the headband, which I think is really cute. So if your hair is really stubborn or whatever, if it's clean, then you probably want to use bobbing pins or like spray your hair with a texture spray or something like that. But my hair is always dirty when I do this, and it always has product in it. So like it's not slippery. It has dry shampoo, texture spray, whatever in it, and these never fall out. They are a silky texture though. So if you're someone who doesn't use dry shampoo, you don't use texturizing spray or hairspray or whatever, you're gonna need bobby pins or some kind of hairspray to keep this in, or else your head, it's gonna like fall off your head, you know? The other thing that I think is nice about the messy bun is it really does keep that headband in there because it's like a big blob on the top of your head. And I always like kind of push my hair forward a little bit and pull it out of the messy bun a little bit to create almost like a bulge. That sounds really weird. Like a thing of hair, so it like kind of keeps it. It's not like a slick surface where it can just slip off. Okay, so the next hairstyle, again, you're gonna keep it with the messy bun. This is for just a day when you want some other pizzazz to your outfit. Your hair might be clean, it might not, doesn't really matter. Just make sure your roots aren't super duper greasy because you will see them. So again, I do the same messy bun, exactly the same. And all I do for this is take the folded hair scarf and I wrap it around the base of my hair a few times, depending on how long your hair is, how much hair you have, whatever, then you kind of can gauge how many times you want to wrap it around. I try and keep the like the base of the scarf as small as possible because I still want that big bun to like look rather large, especially now that I have short hair. While I was filming this, my hair was probably a little bit longer. It was maybe an inch or two longer. So it would be a little bit tougher with my shorter hair. And I like to keep the ends flailing out. I just think it's really cute. You could put the knot or the tie in the back. You could put it in the front. Doesn't matter. But I think this just like adds a little pizzazz to your messy bun, and it also hides any like hair ties or bobby pins or anything that you have on your head, and it keeps your bun in place for a really long time. I think it's adorable. I wore it like this for Easter and I loved it. Okay, so the next one is probably the most advanced just because you are doing a Dutch braid along like the crown of your head. So all I do is like part my hair in half, or you know, to the side, whatever. I like to part it a little bit to the side if I'm gonna do a braid down because it gets thicker and stuff. So all I did was Dutch braid the front of my hair, taking a little bit of hair every time, and I go under the strand instead of over, so it creates that kind of like bulky braid, which is my favorite. And I go to about my ear, and I try not to take any of this hair right here because it's gonna mess up when you pull it back like this. And then I put my hair in kind of like a low ponytail, and this would look beautiful if you had like, you know, a nice curl to your hair or like long hair and it's like really voluminous. This would look adorable. This is when I wish I had long hair again, but that's okay. So it still works with short hair no matter what. So then all I do is put it in a ponytail. That's it. And then to hide the little ponytail holder, all I do again is wrap it around the base of the ponytail and then tie it into a bow, or you could tie it just into a knot with the little tails hanging off, but I like tying it into a bow so that there's not too much of the tail, so that it like overwhelms my hair. If you have really long hair, you could leave it just the tail, and I think it would look beautiful because it doesn't like consume your whole head of hair. But since my hair is short, I really liked to tie a bow, and I just think it's really cute and feminine, and you could pull out pieces of the braid if you want, whatever you would like. But I think it is just, again, a nice little spin on it, and it's not that difficult if you already know how to braid. All you have to do is tie a bow in the hair. So that's it for these hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I tried to keep it nice and simple when it came to these hairstyles so that pretty much anyone could achieve them. That's kind of my favorite hairstyles that add a little pizzazz to your normal everyday style. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. And please hit the thumbs up button. It really does help my channel. If you're feeling crazy, then also hit the post notification bell, because then you get a like little pop-up or notification every single time I upload a video. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.